This is a Parley debate ballot, but Lincoln Douglas and Team Policy follow the same format. First thing I want you to notice is at the top here where it says Event Information. If you select that, it will take you to the rules for your event. Below that, there's a link for Round Information. This is only on the Parley ballot, and that takes you to the resolution for the debate that you're judging. The information in the header up here will be pre-filled out for you with the teams and the round, and your judge name will be here. Down here, this is the content that you need to complete. Anything that's in red is a required field that you have to complete. In order to edit the ballot, you have to click this button up here that says Edit Ballot. Before that, nothing can be changed. So just click Edit Ballot, and now you can make changes. Each criterion defaults to 3 points, but you can change that just by clicking on the number of points that you want to give. And they're automatically totaled up here for you. You do have to go in and manually decide which rank each speaker is, because sometimes there are ties between speakers with points. Here's where you can type in notes regarding each speaker, and you can type as much as you like. That field will expand. Down here is where you select your decision, government or opposition for Parley, and it will say affirmative or negative for Lincoln Douglas and Team Policy. The first 2 choices are in bold because those are the only 2 choices that judges should select. The choices below that have to do with tab. If for some reason you can't choose one of the first 2 choices, you need to see ballot return. And down here is where you type in your reason for decision. And it must be at least 100 characters before this field is considered complete. Again, you can type as much as you'd like. That field will expand. It's important to note that you must save the ballot by hitting this button. It will not autosave. If you leave this page or close the window, everything that you've typed will be deleted. So be sure to select Save. After you've completed your ballot, save it, and now you have the option to complete ballot. Only select that when you are sure that your ballot is indeed complete, because once you select complete ballot, you won't be able to make any further edits. If for some reason you need to make an edit after you've hit complete ballot, go back to ballot return and they'll be able to help you. Once you select complete ballot, you're finished. You do not need to go to ballot return. Your ballot will be submitted. If we have any questions, we'll contact you. Thank you for judging.